And welcome, dear viewers, to a comprehensive review of the Stoic Warrior, 45 Maxims for Life from Marcus Aurelius Meditations. In this deep dive, we'll explore the wisdom contained within the pages of this book, dissect its core principles, and analyze how it can be applied to modern life. If you've ever been curious about Stoicism or are seeking practical guidance for navigating life's challenges, you're in for a treat. And remember, you can find a link to purchase this book in the video description below, which also helps support our channel. The philosophical backdrop. Before delving into the book itself, let's set the stage by briefly exploring the philosophy of Stoicism and its originator, Marcus Aurelius. Stoicism, a school of thought that emerged in ancient Greece, has captivated countless minds throughout history. At its core, Stoicism emphasizes rationality, virtue, and the pursuit of eudaimonia. It encourages individuals to acknowledge what's within their control, accept what isn't, and develop inner resilience to navigate the unpredictable tides of life. Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor from 161 to 180 AD, was not only a Stoic philosopher, but also a practitioner of Stoicism in the highest echelons of power. His private journal, Meditations, serves as a window into his thoughts, struggles, and the Stoic principles he applied during his reign. The Stoic Warrior draws its wisdom from this timeless work. The Stoic Warrior, authored by, endeavors to make the profound wisdom of Marcus Aurelius more accessible than ever before. In 45 succinct maxims, this book distills the essence of Stoicism and provides readers with a roadmap for achieving a more purposeful and resilient life. What sets this book apart is its practicality. Each maxim is accompanied by real-world examples and actionable advice, ensuring that Stoic philosophy isn't just a theoretical exercise but a guide for daily living. The 45 Maxims act as a compass, guiding us through the turbulent seas of modern life, helping us find our inner Stoic warrior. The contents of wisdom. Now, let's explore some of the key maxims and insights from the Stoic Warrior that have the potential to transform your life. Maxim 1. Accept what you cannot control. One of the fundamental principles of Stoicism is the recognition of what's within our control and what isn't. This maxim urges us to accept the latter gracefully. In a world rife with uncertainty, understanding and embracing this concept can be a game changer. Maxim 15. Cultivate resilience through adversity. Life throws challenges our way, it's inevitable. This maxim teaches us to view adversity as an opportunity for growth, an idea central to Stoic philosophy. By changing our perspective on difficulties, we become more resilient. Maxim 30. Embrace change with grace. Change is the only constant. In a fast-paced, ever-evolving world, this maxim guides us on how to adapt to change without losing our sense of self. It encourages us to flow with the river of life rather than resist its currents. Maxim 42. Live in the present moment. Modern life often drags us into the past or propels us into the future, causing anxiety and stress. This maxim reminds us of the importance of the present moment, a cornerstone of mindfulness and Stoic practice. Maxim 45. Be virtuous in all you do. Ultimately, Stoicism teaches us to lead a virtuous life. This maxim serves as a reminder that our actions should be driven by ethical principles and values, fostering not only personal growth, but also the betterment of society. Andrei Detsenko's approach in the Stoic Warrior deserves special mention. The author's writing style is not only accessible but also engaging. Complex Stoic concepts are presented in a way that resonates with both newcomers and seasoned Stoics. Through clear language and relatable examples, the author brings Stoicism into the 21st century. Furthermore, the author's commitment to providing actionable advice is commendable. It's not enough to understand Stoicism intellectually, we must apply its principles to experience their true transformative power. The Stoic Warrior bridges this gap brilliantly. Now, for those eager to embark on their Stoic journey with the Stoic Warrior, you'll find a link in the video description below. Purchasing the book through this affiliate link not only enriches your life with these profound teachings, but also supports our channel in producing more enlightening content like this. In conclusion, The Stoic Warrior, 45 Maxims for Life from Marcus Aurelius Meditations is a remarkable book that distills the essence of Stoicism into bite-sized wisdom nuggets. It provides practical guidance for anyone seeking personal growth, resilience, and a more meaningful life. The maxims serve as your daily companions, helping you navigate the complexities of modern existence. So, don't hesitate. Click the affiliate link below, get your copy of The Stoic Warrior, and embark on a transformative journey towards becoming a Stoic warrior in the modern world. By doing so, you'll not only invest in your own well-being but also support our channel in its mission to spread knowledge and wisdom. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the Stoic Warrior. If you found this review valuable, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with others who may benefit from the wisdom of Stoicism. Stay tuned for more enlightening content right here.